Okay, today's I wanna share to you about how to make Scandinavian house with a curved bench on the front. First of all, we have to make the rotate rectangle and click from the origin and drag to the another side around 5 meter and bring it to the behind around 9 meter. So this is about the simple Scandinavian house with the curved bench on the front. Then we can click the surface and push it up. We can click the surface. Okay, we can push it up around 5 meter. Enter. Okay, and then we can select the line and click from the middle until the behind on the middle. Okay, so and this step. After this step, we can click this line and select move and move it up. Okay, around 2 meter approximately. Okay, then we can select the line. We can select this line like this. Okay, and then we can use the offset tools. Click on the edge around 300 millimeter. Enter. Okay, this is the basic, and then we can click the surface on this frame of this house. Then we can select a push and push it to the front around 400 millimeter and enter. Okay, and after that we can click this line and select move, tap control, click this line and place to this position. Then we can type 2/ and enter. Okay, so this is the elevation of the door. The elevation of the door is around 2.4 meter. We can draw the line in here and we can click this line, select move, tap control, click this line and move it to the another side around 90 centimeters and click this line and select move, tap control, okay, and place to this position. Okay, and after that we can continue this line to the upper and we can select the line over there. Okay, click from this position again. Okay, so this is about the glazing arrangement and the door openings placement of this Scandinavian house. Then we can select the materials. Anyway, I've been prepared about the external materials that I have prepared before. We can click the materials and then we can click the create materials and select brush material from the file, and I will choose this one because I think this materials is representative. Okay, we can click. Okay, we can okay, we can set the value of the texture. We can type 1000 and just select this one and click and place the materials on this edge. Okay, so we can make it better. We can use the line, click from this line. Okay, then we can add more line in here and add more line in here. Okay, and then we can click this surface, right click, texture, position, and okay, we can position the texture, the wood texture in, with this orientation. Okay. And we can also assign about the orientation of the wood texture. Okay, we can assign pick materials over there and pick materials and assign the materials in here. Then we can click this line. Okay, we can click this line and select move, tap control and place to this position, and we can assign about it. Okay, and we can assign the materials about it here, and then we can select the glazing materials with using translucent glass over there. Okay, like this, and we can assign about the roofing. Okay, so we can choose the appropriate roofing. This is for example, we can select the roofing like this and select the level of darkness of this roofing. Okay, so this is about the basic shape of the Scandinavian house, and we can now triple click and make group, and then we can duplicate this one. We can duplicate this one about 3 meshing in here, and now we can make the circle bench in here. We can use the circle and click from this place. Okay, and then we can type a 64s and enter, and we can set the radius around 2.4 meter and enter. Okay, then we can click the surface and offset it outside around 600 millimeter. Okay, then we can select the line, and we can place the line on the middle of the circle and place to the another side. Okay, we can place to the another side like this, and we can erase some unnecessary line over there. We can click the surface and push it up around 500 millimeter, and also this one 500 millimeters. Okay, then we can click this line, and okay, before we do this, we can click the surface and push it up around 400 millimeter, or we can add 50 more and push it up again. Okay, now we can triple click. We can click this outer line in here and offset it inside. You can offset it inside around 150. This one 150, and again 150. Okay, and again we can offset it inside 150. Okay, now we can triple click make group. Now we can assign about the wood materials in here. Okay, so, and after that we can make the structure in here. We can push it down. Okay, around 500 millimeter. We can triple click make group. Okay, and after that we can right click make component, create. Okay, now we can duplicate. We can duplicate the support of this bench. Okay, we can use the from the middle circle in here and click this edge and place to this position. Type Control on our keyboard, and again we can repeat again and again to duplicate it more and more. Okay, we can place at this position. Okay, then we can type 5/ and enter. Okay, so it will be automatically have a duplicate of this curved bench. Anyway, then now we can click this support of this bench and select the rotate and place the cursor on the edge of the circle, so it will be appear automatically about the midpoint of the circle, and we have to quickly move the cursor on the center of the circle and click on this endpoint. Okay, then we can type Control on our keyboard and drag the cursor until the end of this curved circle of the bench. Click, and then we can type 5/ and enter. Okay, and after that we can select the concrete, and we can assign about the concrete materials over there. Okay, now we can duplicate. About the circle bench in here. Okay. Okay, and after that we can make the landscaping or the ground, and okay, and we can make the tree over there. We can make the tree in here, and also in this position, and this position, and this position. Okay, we can assign about the landscaping materials over there. Okay, we can assign landscaping, and I've already prepared the palm tree. Then we can copy and place on this position. Okay, perfect. Okay, this is about the Scandinavian house with a circle bench in the front, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and it's will be useful for the beginners for modeling SketchUp. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this channel. Thanks for watching, and have a good day to you all.